All right, guys, we have a 2018 Chevrolet Malibu that we're going to do a quick walkthrough using the Thinkcar 689 BT to give you an idea of what kind of bidirectional test this scan tool has on this car. Let it get all connected up here, and we'll go through the all the different modules and the bidirectional test, the special functions and active test specifically. We'll do an auto scan. I'm going to hit yes. And I'm just going to go ahead and do a health report. Back out of the car. And you can see that it lists the modules with codes or DTCs first. So we're just going to click up here on electronic brake control module. And we're going to hit actuation test, and I'll just scroll through, let you take a look at what kind of bidirectional controls that you have there. We'll go to special functions to see what kind of calibration and resets you've got there that you can do. We'll go ahead and back out of that. We'll go to power steering control module, and all we got special functions. We'll go body control module. And I'm pretty sure that this has just got the manual AC just by looking at it. You would need to get your RPO code, which is a lot of times in the glove box or in the trunk or in the door jamb. A lot of times there's a QR code. You can take a picture of it with your phone, and you can take a look on your phone to see what your 3-digit RPO code is. I'm going to go ahead. It does say start stop up here on the speedometer. Doesn't necessarily mean that it has it, but we're going to hit yes to that. And it does have HID lights. And we're going to hit actuation test. Now, in the body control module, just so you'll be aware, these options right here, a lot of times there's more options within these. So like exterior lighting, if I hit that, there's all your lighting that you have bidirectional controls with. We'll just go down to wipers. There's your headlamp washer relay, your windshield washer relay, windshield wiper motor relay. So just be aware of that. If you're looking for something, you might have to go a little deeper into a particular menu. So let's back out of that, back out of that. We'll go to the next one, which is radio. We're just going to say up-level radio. I'm not exactly sure what this one's got. We got actuation test. And there you have the controls for that, and then the special functions. And we'll back out of that and go to the next one, which is engine control module. This is an automatic. And we'll hit actuation test. And I'll just scroll through, let you take a quick look at the actuation test that you have. And we'll hit special functions. You got learn functions, and you got reset functions. So we'll back out of that. Make sure we don't have anything else that we need to look at. I don't think we do. Now we'll go down to the transmission control module. And, well, it looks like we got a few options here. I'm not exactly sure what transmission this has got. We're just going to hit MNU, this one of these 6-speed transmissions. Okay, not equipped. And for whatever reason, it took away the transmission control module. So that's one reason why you might want to make sure that you have the right RPO code. It tried to communicate with that particular transmission I selected. I don't know what transmission this car's got, and now the option's not there. I'd have to rescan the whole system, and we're not going to worry about that. We're just going to go to the next one, which is serial data gateway. And the transmission module might come back here in just a second. If it does, we'll try it again. No special functions or actuation tests there. Inflatable restraint. Not every single module has bidirectional controls. That's because of the manufacturer, not necessarily the scan tool. Actuation test and special functions. Back out of that. And passenger presence module. Actuation and special functions. Let's see, that was okay. Now we're at instrument cluster, enhanced driver, enhanced monochrome. We're going to go ahead and go enhanced driver. We'll hit actuation test, and we're going to hit special functions. Back out of that. Now we're going to be down to the radio controls. Okay, no special functions or actuation test for radio controls. A lot of times there's another radio control module. We'll see. We'll see if there is. HVAC, that's a pretty important one. Oh, you know what? That's controls too. So there's no actuation test or special functions there. There'll be another HVAC control module. Should be. Yeah, I see it down there. Amplifier, we'll take a look at that. Nothing there on the amp. Human machine interface, actuation test, special functions. Navigation control. That other. Okay, not installed. Telematics. Actuation test, special functions. And HVAC, actuation test. And same with the HVAC, if you look like air recirc functions, you click that. Okay, we only have one option there. Miscellaneous test, you got 3 different options there. One option there, and temperature functions, one option. So sometimes you got to click deeper into the menus. And you got that for the special functions. And keyless entry. Actuation test. And that should do it. Other than a couple modules that I picked the wrong RPO code, and for whatever reason it takes them away from the list. Yeah, this scan tool is a very powerful scan tool. I've been real happy with it. This is a 2018 Malibu, and this is the Thinkcar 689 BT. You guys take care.